the body needs a certain amount of energy to function perfectly every day, which can be a problem if you lack such energy. The energy needed is known as metabolism, and more body fat is burned with optimum metabolism. This video will show you how to boost your body's metabolism and burn more calories. What is metabolism? Metabolism is a medical term that equates to all the chemical reactions happening in the body to keep it revived, active, and in good shape. Metabolism is also the process of converting the foods that one takes into their body to nutrients needed to keep the body healthy. Digesting food, circulating blood, repairing damaged tissues, breathing, and moving around require metabolism. Research has shown that a human burns more calories at rest when their metabolism increases. In other words, a human tends to lose more fat when they have a higher rate of metabolism in their body system. How to increase metabolism and burn fat? 1. Drink more water. Besides keeping the body hydrated, studies show that those who drink water instead of taking sugary content have a higher metabolism rate. Since they have a higher metabolism, they are more successful at losing more body fat than those taking sugary drinks. The primary reason is that sugary drinks contain calories, so taking them means adding more body fat. However, drinking more water speeds up your body's metabolism and has permanent benefits. 2. Stand and walk around more. Research has shown that sitting around too much negatively affects the body more than it benefits it. This is because sitting too much makes the human body burn fewer calories and can make one gain more weight. On the other hand, standing and walking around more throughout the day has many benefits, as it helps increase the rate of metabolism and also helps burn calories. A 2018 review showed that standing and walking around a bit longer helped reduce body weight, lower cardiometabolic risk, CMR, and reduce diastolic blood pressure. According to experts, if you have a job that requires you to sit at a desk all day, you should try to stand up and walk around at specific intervals. 3. Eat more protein. Adding more protein to your diet positively impacts the body's metabolism rate and reduces body fats. Besides, the bare act of eating foods increases the body's metabolism rate for a few hours. It is also called the thermic effect of food, TEF. The thermic effect of food, TEF, is simply the energy or amount of calories used to absorb and process the nutrients contained in a meal. Another importance of protein is that it helps in building and retaining muscles, which helps in weight loss. According to scientists, protein has the most significant increase in the thermic effect of food, TEF, while carbohydrates use 5 to 10% of their usable energy in metabolism. Protein uses a whopping 20 to 30%. 4. Exercise frequently. Exercising frequently is also essential for boosting the metabolism rate and reducing the fat in the body. Some examples of exercises you can engage in are high-intensity workouts, which significantly impact your metabolism rate. According to a study from PubMed Central, engaging in high-intensive activities helps to increase your metabolism rate even after you finish the workout. Also, increase your cardio exercises by running more and walking for an extended period. With this, you should lift heavier weights, as it has other benefits besides increasing your metabolism. When you lift weights, it helps to build more muscle mass and reduce belly and total belly fat. We have come to the end of the video, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button to receive more videos like this.